in central New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, south central Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey until 11 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Trenton, Jackson, Allentown, Ewing, Princeton, Jamesburg, Hightown, Cranberry, Allentown, Roosevelt, Rocky Hill, and Twin Rivers. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 9. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 61 and 71. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 1 and 28. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges or low-water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, find another route over higher ground. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.